All right, now we're going to be adding and subtracting decimals, and on this first one right here, we got 85.85 minus 73.323. Now I told you guys all numbers have a decimal to the right of it. It just isn't always shown, but they have the same things of decimal. And at the other end of a decimal, if there is nothing, you can fill it in with zeros. So a case like this, it's easier to fill in with zeros. Let me thin out a little bit there. All right, so now we have 85.000 minus 73.323. That makes this all easier as a space filler. So the first thing we got, 0 minus 3, we can't do that. So we're going to come all the way to the right here. We're going to borrow from the 5 and make that a 4. 10 is a 9. That becomes a 10, and then a 9 again, and that becomes a 10. So 10, now we got 10 minus 3. This just becomes a normal subtraction problem. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Now, I'd shown you when we write these out on all these, now these are done for you on this page, but the secret to adding and subtracting decimals is to keep your decimal point lined up. So if this had been written something like this, 85 minus 73.323, well, just because it's all the way to the right, this would have been a mess. It would have given us the wrong answer. So for that reason, we've got to do it this way. So you got to line up your decimal points. And then 4 minus 3 is 1, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So 85.000 minus 73.323 is 11.677. That's how we subtract. Sorry, I'm a little in a hurry here. All right, next one is 41.79 plus 2.741. You notice there's an empty spot here. It's to the right of the decimal. We can just go ahead and fill it in with a 0. So now we're just adding 0 plus 1 is 1, 9 plus 4 is 13, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry over the 1. Now we got to bring down the decimal point because it does line up like it's supposed to. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and carry down the 4. So we got 44.531 for that. I'm not going to do any more of these. Actually, I'll do one more subtraction since I was a little disorganized on that one. 79.3 minus 37.26. We notice that the decimals are lined up. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with a 0 right there. So we've got 0 minus 6. We can't do that. We have to borrow. 3 became a 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down the decimal. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. So hopefully you remember how we did this in class and you can finish this page. The next page is going to give you this worksheet, and then the page after that is going to give you the answers for you to study off of and see if you did right. Thank you.